Welcome everyone to our channel Competitive Pedia. Today we are going to discuss important current affairs regarding 6 December 2021. So let's begin our session. First question, World Soil Day is celebrated on. तो World Soil Day कब मनाया जाता है? Correct answer is your option C, 5th December. Clear? So the important fact of this is, what is the theme of World Soil Day 2021? Theme is halt soil salinization and boost soil productivity. Now, one more important fact about Food and Agricultural Organization. It is also very important. So, its headquarters is in Rome, Italy. The head of FAO is Q Dongyu, and FAO was founded on 16th of October 1945. Please keep this in mind. Next question. Azaz Patel created history by becoming third bowler in Test cricket to claim 10 wickets in an innings. So, he belongs to which team? The correct answer is option A, New Zealand. He belongs from the New Zealand team. So, he has become the third bowler. So, who are the other two bowlers? So, they are as follows. In 1956, England bowler Jim Laker took 10 wickets in an innings against Australia. So, he was the first. And second is in 1999, India's Anil Kumble took 10 wickets in an innings against Pakistan. So, he is the second. Okay. First is Jim Laker, second is Anil Kumble, and third we all know in 2021, New Zealand's Azaz Patel has took 10 wickets in an innings and against India. Clear? Keep this in mind. Next question is, Vinod Dua, who has recently passed away, was associated with which field? So, he was associated with journalism. So, सही आंसर है इसका ऑप्शन डी, journalism. Okay. Now, one of his favorite food show was Zaika India ka. Keep this in mind, it may ask in exam. His one of the favorite food show which he do was Zaika India ka. He had worked with Doordarshan and he was also an integral part of NDTV's journey. And now we look at some of the awards. In 1996, he was awarded Ramnath Goenka Excellence in Journalism Award, and in 2008 Padma Shri for Journalism. Clear? Who has been appointed as Strategic Group Advisor of Oyo Company? The correct answer is your option C, Rajneesh Kumar. He has been appointed as the Strategic Group Advisor of Oyo Company. So, who is Rajneesh Kumar? He is the former chairman of State Bank of India, SBI. Now, Oyo was founded in 2013 and the CEO of Oyo is Ritesh Agarwal. Cambridge Dictionary Word of the Year 2021. So, it is your option B, perseverance. Clear? Option B, perseverance. Now, perseverance means to never give up despite the many challenges. And this word was looked up more than 243 times in 2021 in the portal of Cambridge Dictionary. Clear? Alga Upadhyay has been appointed as chairman of. Correct answer is option B, NHAI. She is appointed chairman of NHAI. Now, NHAI full form is National Highways Authority of India. NHAI was founded in 1988 and the main purpose of NHAI is development and maintenance of national highways, and NHAI headquarters is in New Delhi. Clear? Hamar Apan Budget, a web portal launched by CM of which state? So, it has been launched by CM of Jharkhand. Yeah. So, Through this portal, people can share their suggestions for the 2022-2023 budget. So it is a very good initiative taken by the Jharkhand government, and it is called people's participation. CM of Jharkhand is Hemant Soren and Governor of Jharkhand is Ramesh Bais. ठीक है. Magdalena Anderson is the first female prime minister of which country? So the correct answer is option C, Sweden. Clear? Now she have to resign within hours of taking the job after her budget was rejected in favor of one proposed by the opposition. But now again, Magdalena Andersson has been reappointed as the Prime Minister of Sweden. Now Sweden capital is Stockholm and the currency of Sweden is Swedish krona. Clear? Which Indian state announced implementation of police commissionerate system in 2 of its cities? The correct answer is your option B, Madhya Pradesh. Clear? Now the police commissionerate system in Madhya Pradesh will be in 2 cities which are Bhopal and Indore. Now what are the reason for doing this? First, growing population, second, geographical expansion, and third, law and order problems. Okay, these are 3 reasons. Now who is the governor of Madhya Pradesh? Mangu Bhai C Patel, and we all know who is the CM, Shivraj Singh Chauhan. The death anniversary of which leader is observed as Mahaparinirvan Divas? The correct answer is option A, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Clear? So the death anniversary of Baba Saheb Ambedkar is observed as Mahaparinirvan Divas on 6 December every year. So guys, this was till the day. Thanks for watching the video. If you like our video, please do subscribe the channel, share the channel with your friends and families. Learn by this way and achieve your success. Happy learning from the team Competitivepedia. May God bless you all. Thank you.